how to stop Twitter from sending emails. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can stop Twitter from sending emails. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Firstly, open your X application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now click on your profile at the top left corner. Again, click on Settings and Support and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now you will be directed to the settings of your account. From these different options, click on Notifications option. Again, tap on Preference option. Now here you will see the 4 different options, from which click on the last option that says Email Notification. Finally, toggle off this switch next to Email Notification. And that's it. In this easy and simple way, you can stop Twitter from sending emails. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.